guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing box braids, as you guys can tell from the title, and you know, I'm tired. I'm tired. I've been at this for like I don't know how many hours, but I've been doing this since yesterday. So yeah, I'm over it. Okay. So yeah, my hair is all sectioned off already, as you guys can see, and in the little boxes of braids that I want them in, and I have taken my edges out. Okay, I took my edges out because like they just growing back, and like I would like for them to stay on my scalp this time and like not leave me again. Okay, so yeah, took the edges out. We're gonna, you know, we're gonna lay them when I'm done, but yeah, the edges are out because we want to keep them this time. Okay, so yeah, they're all sectioned off, and just like my passion twist, I am going to be using, where's my crochet needle, y'all? Don't play with me. Oh, it's right here. I had to buy a new one because I lost the other one. So just like my passion twist, I'm going to be using a crochet needle instead of like regular box braids like people do. So the point of using the crochet needle is that it kind of gives a like a knotless look. So I guess you could call it like a faux knotless braids, because like, you know, people do the feed in and stuff. Like, I can't do all that. I'm not that talented. Okay, I'm just not. Okay, you're gonna take your crochet hook. Now, the way that you want your braids to lay, like the direction that you want it to lay, you're gonna put the crochet hook in that way. So I want my hair laying flat down like this, so I'm gonna put the crochet hook going cross. That's horizontal, right? Or is that vertical? It's horizontal.
Well. Next question. See ya.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put it across instead of going up, because if I pull it up, then it's gonna like lay like that and go back. But I want it to lay this way. So okay. So this is what I'm using right here. This from Sally's. I got it from Sally's, and yeah, it's in a number 2. So yeah, you get yours from Sally's. This is usually what I use whenever I do box braids. I usually use the ones from Sally's, but you can get them at your local, why did I say it like that? You can get it at your local beauty supply store, whatever color you want, because Sally's, honestly, they don't be offering like the best selection. You just like, you go to Sally's and you're like, okay, well, I guess I gotta get this. So I actually went to my beauty supply store after, like my local beauty supply store, and then I saw all the hair and I'm like, girl, why you went to Sally's? So anyways, but this hair is good though. I bought 12 packs, so let's see how many packs I use, because I don't remember how many packs I usually use whenever I buy it. So basically just gonna take this and kind of just twist it a little bit to try to get it all into the hook so I can latch it. Yes ma'am. I hope y'all can see, and I'm just gonna pull it through. Bang. We got her through. Ma'am. Alright, now I'm just gonna check to see if it's even. So this is not pre-stretched hair, but I honestly just leave it like this, because when I'm braiding it, I like to like smooth it down so that it becomes, you know, not so blunt at the end. So I don't actually do the pre-stretching. I used to do it, but it's a waste of time for me. I literally just go in and while I'm braiding it, and I smooth the braid, like I pull on it so it gives that pre-stretched look, or you know, that not so blunt look at the end. Alright, I'm gonna try to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so now that we have the hair on, like so, in there, okay, you're gonna take a little piece from this section, just a little piece, okay? And then a little piece from this side. All right. You might want to take, I mean, we could take a little bit bigger because, all right, so you're just taking a little piece from each side. So this could be the third, because you know you need 3 pieces to braid, so this will be the third one, and this in the middle is going to attach to your braid, your hair. So this is gonna go with that. Okay, cool. So now that you have your pieces, my hands are probably blocking it, but now that you got your pieces, you're just gonna start braiding. So when I say that I don't pre-stretch, right, because I'm gonna go in and like basically do that, and it's gonna give the ends that unevenness that it needs at the end. Anyway, so let's go ahead and keep braiding. And you want to stay as close to the top as possible because you want your braid to be tight. Okay, so now when I get here where my hair and the braid is, I take my Moray's beeswax. It was $3.59 at my local beauty supply store, as you guys see. So I'm gonna take about this much, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna smooth it on to blend my hair into the braid. And then just keep braiding. Alright, so see how the ends are now not that blunt, like cut, so you'll have the ends won't unravel. I mean, they will unravel, you gotta put it in hot water, but they won't unravel by the time you're done braiding your hair. So this is what the ends look like. They stiff. It just stiff wear right here, right here.
One eternity later.
Okay, so after about 5 million hours, okay, we're done. And they are pretty long, I guess. So they're like right here, like right under my boob. And they not stiff no more, you know. I dipped them in hot water, so you know they got a little body yada 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 yada. Okay, stop playing. But they have some movement. And I did my edges, as I told you guys. You know, I left them out because my edges are weak. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like my edges are strong. No, they are weak. Okay, and I would like to go through the year with retaining my edges. Okay, like I said, they just grew back, and I don't want to lose them again, because any little tension or pressure my edges say I am head out. Okay, they literally break under pressure. Just stay tuned with the jokes. So anyways, yeah, I like to leave my edges out because, you know, I want to keep them. So I just want to come up close so I can show you guys what they are looking like. So yeah, they're pretty neat. I love, like, look at it. So yeah, that's what it is looking like. I'm probably gonna keep these in for like 3 to 4 weeks. I am super happy with the results. Honestly, like every time I sit down to braid my hair, like I'm always like, yo, why am I doing this again? And then when I see the end result, I'm like, okay, this is why I'm doing it. You cute girl, you cute, you cute. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram at naturallyj93. I'm a little bit more active over on Instagram, so go ahead and make sure you follow me. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, this channel right here, if you haven't. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My scalp is on fire, okay? It is on fire.